journey. So in today's journeys, we are going to be going through the what I got for Christmas section. So let's get right onto the video. So I have my Elf onesie on, which is super comfortable. So I really wanted to wear it because it's still winter. You know, it's still cold. It's still Christmas. So yeah, let's get on with the video and show you guys what I got for my family members and my friends. So I have my Christmas wish list with me inside this mini stocking, and I'm going to see what I got and what I didn't get from my wish list. Make sure you watch the wish list 2019 that I made on my channel. After you watch this video, the link will be down in the description down below. I did it. The first gift I got was from my cousin Estella. Thanks to that girl, shout out to you. She got me a Riri by Rihanna perfume. Guys, this smells so good. I smelled it from here. It smells so good, guys. Then she also gave me a mug full of candy, and guys, this mug is so cute, and my favorite candy or my favorite chocolate is right here. So shout out to that girl. I love that girl. And then she also gave me like a Mexican candy and like snacks, but I ate most of them. This thing was full, and I ate most of them. So yeah, that's the first gift that I got from one of my cousins, Estella. And the next gift I got was from my Aunt Yesenia. She's right here. She gave me 20 bucks, and then she gave me these eyelashes because I told her I wanted to start doing my own makeup. Let me put this elf hat on because you know what? I gotta be even more in the Christmas spirit. So the next thing was from my brother. He gave me these curtain lights that I really wanted. I want to put them behind because this wall is so blank, guys. Like everything here is so blank without the Christmas tree because I'm gonna take this off because it's not gonna be Christmas all year long, sadly. So yeah, I'm going to put these curtain lights right here. So probably in the next video, you'll see these curtain lights up. Then the next gift was from my sister. And guys, I got the James Charles palette, which is so amazing because as I told you guys, I want to start doing my own makeup. So be expecting some makeup videos because that will be really fun. I should open the things at the end. Yeah. I'm going to do an unboxing at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So this gift was inside my stocking. My parents gave it to me. It was this Blossom scented lip gloss, which is so nice. I love it, and it's peach scented. Look it. And then the next thing, guys, I love this thing so much. It is the Vanilla Bean Noel Shimmer Frizz body lotion. And guys, let me do some ASMR for you right now because this is so amazing. Ready? So you gotta shake it up. Guys, and then like the moment you start like moving it or like kneading it, it gets so like crackly, like it feels so weird, and then it gets even more colder and colder by the second, and then once you start eating it, it turns into lotion, and you have these beautiful sparkles on your hands. You can't really see it, but I really love this thing. I told my mom I really wanted it, so I'm super glad she got it. Last but not least, I got something that not only I love, but I think you guys would love because it would definitely make my video quality even better. So guys, I got the Canyon T6 from Best Buy, and my parents got this for me, and I fell in love, guys. This is such a good camera. Like, it came with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens and the 75 to 300 millimeter lens, and the shoulder bag, and like the thing that wraps around your neck, and like so many cool things. And guys, I really like it. And it also came with this tripod, and we bought the SD card. So that'll be really fun. And guys, it's actually time for the unboxing now, so let's go unbox this. I hope you guys enjoyed that little ASMR before the unboxing. So I technically already unboxed this, and most of my candy. Really good. What I meant is now I can open it. Oh wait, that was actually really easy. I'm so excited for this. It's small, but it smells amazing. And it's from Rihanna. Like, girl, we love you. Wait, how do I open this? Do I just... Oh my god, guys. This smells amazing. It's so nice. So the next thing I'll be unboxing is the James Charles palette, which I am very excited to open. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So we have bubble wrap to secure the packaging or the makeup palette. Do you guys see how wonderful and beautiful this is? Amazing. Okay. Ready? That is beautiful. Oh my god, the little names are coming off. Okay. Do you guys see yourself? You're standing on my camera. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, but let's focus on the palette. That looks amazingly beautiful, guys. OMG. Let's do some swatching. So these are the names. Oh wait, wrong side. Okay. Ready? This is You're Kidding. You're kidding! That is amazing! I love that color, and it's so like pigmented. Put it on my hand over here because like I'm trying to take it off. The next thing I'm going to unbox is this cup. Let me take off the wrapping. Just kidding, guys. But this cup is amazing. I really like it. It's so huge. It's almost bigger than my head. But yeah, next thing, which is the eyelashes. It's kind of self-explanatory. They're just eyelashes. Nothing really to unbox. Are these curtain lights? Because I actually want to see how these look. This box. But it's fine. So the lights are in here. Can't wait. How do I like... Okay, so there's a battery thing in here. Let's push that down. These look so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to see these lit up. I need batteries. So I can't see them lit up right now, but you guys will probably see it in the next video of mine. So stay tuned for next week's video next Sunday. And I think, oh no, we need to unbox the camera, guys. I can't wait to unbox that. Alright guys, so I have the box with me right now, and I actually already opened it so I could charge the charger. So this is more for you guys than for me. So the first thing you see when you open the box is that. Then you open it and you see this. So it's the bag. Oh, I didn't close it right. The 75 to 300 millimeter lens. And then the normal box that comes with the camera and the other lens. I forgot what the other lens was. It's the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So the first thing we're going to open is this one. It has these two little sections that you could put your camera stuff in. So that is very fun and secure. Oh wow, okay. Next we're going to open the 75 to 300 millimeter lens. So the first thing you see is just paper thingies, this to secure it, the lens, and another thing to secure it from the bottom. That is it in the box. Moment of truth. Let's take this out of its wrapping. Guys, look how beautiful this black is. Like, it's like black matte. And I'm in love. Like, that is amazing. Woo! Look at that lens, guys. That is clean. OMG. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay. So the first thing you see when you open it is again that, then paperwork, yeah, whatever, or like instructions, how to use the camera, how to do the button thingies and everything. Then you open this. Wait up. What side is it from? This side. And you see bubble wrap. So let me take out what the lens. It's the body. the charger and the little charging thing, which I think that goes around your neck when you're using the camera. And I don't know what this is I'm not quite sure what this is, but it's a cable. And that's about it in this box. Let's put that there. So let's open up the body. What a truth. Look how clean that is. Like, that's amazing. Like, that's amazing. Okay, so this is greatly wrapped. Oh my god, I just love black when how it's matte. That will be so great to use. I'll put this on later, not right now. Oh, and I can't get it. The SD card. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this camera right now in front of you guys. Picture. 1, 2, 3. And this is how the picture came out. Oh wait, sorry. Focus. You guys can. Thumbnail! Just kidding, guys. That is not going to be a thumbnail. But yeah, thanks for watching the end. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't do something unless you try. So you can, alright? Bye, love you. Mwah! Woohoo! Just kidding. See you guys next year in 2020. Bloopers right now. So if you my dog yawned. Watch the Wish. Ah! Oh my god! Alright, guys. So if you haven't watched